I'm Bob Harris, president of the Decorative Concrete Institute. There's a variety of different skim coat manufacturers in today's marketplace, and the one manufacturer that we work with quite extensively happens to have a very unique tool. This tool is called a turbo roller, and the turbo roller serves two functions. If you look at the term micro topping, what is the definition of a true micro topping? Simply stated, it's anything that's a 1/4 of an inch thick or less. So if you have something that's a 1/4 inch or more, we consider that a macro topping, so you would not use this tool. Nevertheless, this is a very effective tool. It really serves two functions. Number one is it pushes the material into place, kind of like a squeegee would, but in addition, you'll notice that there are some ridges on this tool. You notice these ridges right here. And those ridges are there for a very specific reason, and that's what's going to regulate or dictate the depth that you put the material down. That's the key for this type of micro topping. So again, you push it into place and you simply roll it as a last application, and once you've rolled it down into place, you're ready for the next step, which is the troweling. Let's show you how this turbo roller works. This type of a micro topping is what we call a semi-self-leveling. It's not a self-leveling, yet it's not a trowel or a squeegee grade, it's right in between. And the first tool that we'll use to apply this is the turbo roller. So before I use the turbo roller, I'll normally pour a ribbon along in kind of a U shape. So for example, if this was our wall, that was a wall, I'd always pour it in this fashion right here. Once I get the material down, the important part is to get the material dispersed across the surface quickly. And so right now the tool is actually acting almost as a squeegee. I'm just quickly pushing it around into place. Once I get the material, what I refer to as bulked in, meaning just kind of roughly cut in, then the important part of this turbo roller is to come back and really be pretty methodical on the depth that you're putting it down. So now I'll come back. You're wanting a nice uniform thickness. I'll roll a ribbon back, and then the back and forth. And so it's the depth of the material that is the key to how this type of micro topping works. Remember, to get the most out of your tools, use them properly, and more importantly, use them safely. I'm Bob Harris.